Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel NutureMind, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of clementine. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If at all you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so that we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Clementine. Clementine is a tanger, a hybrid between willow leaf mandarin orange and a sweet orange. It has a deep orange color and the interior can be separated into 7 to 14 segments. Its skin is quite easy to peel, unlike oranges, and it does not contain any seeds. It is a fruit that not only tastes delicious but is well loaded with fiber and nutrients. Benefits of clementine. Skincare. Clementines are really good for the skin owing to the presence of significant amount of vitamin C. Scientific studies have validated the role of vitamin C in the synthesis of collagen, a structural component which is vital for the maintenance of healthy skin. Antioxidant properties of vitamin C present in clementines help in protecting the skin against the damage induced by UV radiations and help in revitalizing the aging skin. Furthermore, it aids in reducing the formation of wrinkles, supports in repairing the damaged skin, and assists in keeping the skin healthy and youthful. Good for brain. As a source of natural folate, eating a few clementines regularly may prove to be helpful in normal functioning of the brain and also support in reducing distress and depression. Folate content present in clementines may even prove valuable during pregnancy, especially for the unborn babies by protecting them against neural tube defects. Boost immunity. Consumption of clementines help in enhancing the disease fighting ability of the body and strengthening the immunity. A strong immune system aids in preventing the occurrence of a range of infections and helps in reducing the severity of fatal diseases. This attributes to the abundance of vitamin C and other phytonutrients in clementines, which provides antioxidative protection against the damaging action of free radicals produced during energy metabolism. Strengthen bones and muscles. Eating juicy clementines may also contribute to keeping your bones stronger and healthy, attributing to presence of calcium and phosphorus content. These minerals are important for all age groups and also play an important role in muscle contraction. Aid in digestion. Clementines are a good source of fiber which adds bulk to the stool and facilitates better digestion and keeps constipation at bay. Fiber present in clementine also aids in better absorption of nutrients from the food by slowing down the digestion process. Furthermore, potassium present in clementines helps in normalizing muscle contraction and relaxation, which stimulates a better movement of food and waste through their respective routes. Improve cardiovascular health. Clementines are good for health owing to the presence of potassium. Consumption of potassium-rich clementines helps in normalizing cardiac arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat and also assists in maintaining the healthy levels of blood pressure and prevents hypertension. It even reduces the risk of fatal conditions such as stroke. Electrolyte balance. Clementines are valuable in maintaining the electrolyte balance of the body due to the presence of potassium in it. Eating potassium-rich clementines aids in maintaining a natural water balance amidst the cell and the body fluids, which is critical for the healthy functioning of the entire body systems. Anti-cancer properties. The inclusion of citrus fruits like clementines in diet helps in fighting various types of cancer. This owes to the presence of anti-cancer components such as vitamin C, and powerful bioactive molecules such as limonoids and quercetin. Citrus fruits, including clementines, also contain pectin, which is another component that helps in protecting the body from developing multiple cancers. Clementine oil for aromatherapy. Clementine oil is used in aromatherapy owing to its pain relieving and rejuvenating nature. It possesses purifying properties and promotes better restful sleep. Massaging with clementine oil aids in relieving stress, uplifting the mood, and enhancing mental clarity. However, people with dry or sensitive skin should be cautious while using clementine oil and should use a carrier oil for its typical usage additionally. Essential oils such as clementine oil may also cause phototoxicity, and hence one should refrain from direct exposure to the sunlight for a few hours post the application of such oils on the skin. Apart from the above mentioned benefits, clementines contain choline, which assists in the healthy functioning of the liver and helps to prevent the occurrence of liver diseases. As a source of calcium and potassium, clementines help in reducing the risk of dental inflammation and avert tooth loss. Being a low calorie fruit, clementine makes an excellent supporter during weight loss attempts. The fiber content in clementines contributes to keeping a check on the cholesterol levels of the body.
To like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.